pregnant Galapagos sea lions haul out on a beach, giving birth. Unable to swim when it's newly born, a pup relies completely on its mother for her care and her milk. But a newborn pup is something of a shock to its older brother. The new pup is a sure sign that he must now find his own feet. Now under the watchful eye of a dominant bull, the young sea lions acquire the skills they'll need for a life at sea. While the bull's attention is elsewhere, the pup ventures beyond the safety of the rock pool. It's a mistake. The waters surrounding the Galapagos are patrolled by sharks. The pup can outmaneuver the shark, not for long. Alerted by the commotion, the bull takes action. Biting at its tail, he chases it away. This pup is safely back on land, and not too old for a reassuring cuddle.